Transform any short clip into a captivating narrative by unlocking the power of video extension on RunwayML. First, navigate to RunwayML and select the Generate Video option from the dashboard. This is where our creative journey begins. To extend your video, we'll utilize the Video to Video tool. Click on this option and then select Upload to bring your existing video clip into the platform. Once your video is uploaded, you'll see it ready for modification. Now, let's give RunwayML some direction in the text prompt area. Describe what you want to happen to extend your video. For instance, you could type "continue this scene with a peaceful sunset" or add a dramatic slow motion effect to this action sequence. Be creative with your prompts. Think about the mood, action, or visual style you want to add. Once your prompt is ready, simply click the Generate button. RunwayML's powerful AI will now work its magic, analyzing your input and generating new video frames to extend your original clip based on your prompt. And there you have it. Your video has been seamlessly extended, creating a longer, more dynamic piece. You can now review the generated segment. Once you're happy with the result, click on the Export button to download your extended video and use it in your next masterpiece. That's how easily you can expand your video content with RunwayML. Unlock endless creative possibilities. Start extending your videos on RunwayML today.